Hi everyone, this is Tracy Guillot with MVP Realty's Guillot Group. I'm here today on Marco Island with Alex Farber with Stonebreaker Builders. She is their in-house interior decorator and is absolutely amazing. And wanted to give you guys some tips on how to maximize your money when you're looking to remodel so you can get top dollar when you're here to sell. So what are you doing with some of your clients today, Alex? What are you seeing out there? Any tips?
Yeah, it's really popular right now to keep like a nice neutral base, cabinets, countertops, kind of in the neutral taupey tones. And then that way you can add in accents and pillows and window treatments and artwork. And if you want to switch that out down the road, your color palette, that you have a neutral base to start and you can switch out your colors easily, throughout, your living process.
It's such a great idea. I love that. Now, in this kitchen, it's so gorgeous. I love the marbles and the neutrals. I hear a lot of people are using like texture. Like,
Yes.
What are some other things that you're seeing in some of the houses you've been doing?
So like the backsplash, for instance, it's a very simple subway tile, but we herringbone it with a little bit of a lighter grout, so it kind of creates a nice texture, so it's not just a flat surface.
That's one of my favorites. I love herringbone.
Yeah, and lots of quartz countertops right now too, instead of granite. Quartz, it's very durable, it's a man-made material, it doesn't scratch, it doesn't stain. So quartz is great for kitchens right now.
Yeah, I heard that's one of the best. So
Yeah.
awesome. Well, thank you so much for those quick tips. I really appreciate it. And if you're looking for a remodeling job, definitely check out Stonebreaker Builders. They're amazing over in Marco. Alex is your girl, and she will make sure your home is beautiful. So thanks again, and have a great day. Bye.
Bye.